I was working on this design, and from what I understand, this is a 6,000 by 4,000, 6,000 and 4,005. So we are going to reflect this design on this our own design. This is a one plot of flat, a 15,000 by 30,000. So don't get scared because of how big this use space it does the box where our designs are going to be inside. You understand?
So what's the setback from the front one, not the back one?
Okay, so the setback from here is 6 meters,
6 meters,
1.5 meters, 1.5 meters,
and the
what
back
five every 3 meters.
3 meters.
But also know that we don't make use of meters in architecture, we make use of meters.
Millimeter.
So you said we what we say here is 1,500 millimeters, 3,000 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, and 6,000 millimeter. Please, guys, don't forget to tap on your screen so that others can get notification that
Felix Chimodi, you are welcome.
we can join us. Okay. Welcome, Felix. Welcome, Felix. So let's get our dimension. So to get that, I'm going to use my line tool and make sure you change it to black. I'm going to make use of this box. So the first one is going to be 4,500. And the next dimension is going to be 6,000. I don't know how big this person wants to be elevated to good. So I think from my own dimension, I can see that it looks a bit smaller. So I can get my wall tube and just box it in. Now we've done this. The next one is let's get our Ante-room. Now, I noticed something. I have a question. There was this architect, a very good architect, who who taught me how to design. He said that the ante-room is just like a roundabout to the house. It leads you to so many rooms in the house, thereby reducing traffic in the living room, especially. But I notice nowadays that when a lot of designs are coming up, like I'm talking about contemporary designs, basically designs. Let me start. I'm going to use the word Lakey style, because that's what we normally say. Their ante-room is just like SWAT.
somewhere you
Leads directly to vehicle. And I don't know if it's okay. If it's okay, but if you have any
back.
option or opinion to let us know, say to the comment section and we are going to, to battle it together. So let's continue.
And please don't forget to follow the host or follow the moderator.
Yes, for more every day we come live by 3 p.m. 7 p.m. But today we might be ending at 8 p.m. Right? Because you came very, very late. I'm from the mood of believer. You are welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So let's go for the ante room. So the ante room, it looks like something of 3,000 by 3.5. So let's give it something like that. Let's go again to go and get our line. So I think if you look at this now, they're not same. So let me change this to 5,000
Bitcoin. So
welcome Bitcoin. So now I clicked on this wall, and what you notice is that the two walls are highlighted, but I just only want one wall to be highlighted, right? So you go to this suspended goods, click on it, and you notice that only one wall will be highlighted. So let's go back. Now we have gotten this. We'll be deleting this line. So I'm good there. The next one is here's our anti. So I'm giving it 3,500 by 3,000.
If you have question to ask us, can do it by typing it, we'll see it. Be active, be active. Top man, you're welcome. Holy BTC, you're welcome. Welcome everyone.
Some hurtful words I never should have let my list. Some bridges burn. I'm not ready to rebuild yet. Some insecurities I haven't dealt with yet. I'll be the first.
You just raise it up. Some of them will ask, why did they even touch it up? Well, just measure an ante-room for you. Just highlighted it and shift it for 3 weeks.
Yes, because if you look at this place, there's an entrance, and this entrance, an entrance was 1,000. So that was the reason why I put it back, so that we'll have a space, a landing, it's called landing, before you can enter inside. So I don't know your name. You said I know a simple way.
A simple way of what?
A simple way of doing what, so that I will understand what you're trying to say, sir. So Adnan, welcome so much. Yeah, this is Archicad.
Yes.
Archicad.
That.
Leaning.
So you said you have a simple way of what?
Are you still with us? Emoji, are you still with us?
So Adnan said, and trying to learn this. So that means you are trying to learn this. So this is your first time doing us, right?
Will you have your PC with you or you have your desktop with you? Samit, thank you for joining us. Yeah, he's trying to learn it. So you have your everything, your equipment, lights, laptop, Archicad, Lumion, you have everything with you.
If you have it with you and you have some questions to ask,
Just ask us.
we'll answer it for you. So the next thing I want to do here is,
And don't forget to follow us.
yes, don't forget to follow us. That's one.
Everyone, don't forget to
Sammy,
follow us.
welcome. Man bag, welcome.
Man bag,
baby, welcome.
Biggie. Yes, I do. Okay.
Now, so drop your question.
Now you are in the right place. We will help you. Just ask us a question that you need. We are available to provide the answer for it. Thank you.
So the next is this resource toilet, and it's going to be 1,000 by what? 1214. So let's go and get our line tool again. Box it. Remember, the one going like that, let's say on the right side, is going to be a 1,000 by 1 6. Yes, by one. Let's just give it a 1 4. Even though it's too long. Good. So the next thing to do again is to draw a word. Now you can see we just created something out of this now. So everybody who was scared that I've done that, this is
Now is the magic idea.
so that is the pen. So add that. If you have any question, please drop it here. I will get the answer to you. We have Winga in the house. We have Winga. Winga, welcome. Welcome everybody. We are so glad to have you guys. So sorry. Let me go back. So you can see that I want to connect these two walls so that they are going to intersect without me trying to force myself to intersect them. Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you so much. So to intersect them, look for these two above here to intersect. After highlighting the two walls, you click on the intersect out. They have been intersected. So I'm going to be deleting this wall because I don't.
David Joseph,
You are welcome. Thank you so much, Dave. Or if you check, if I highlight this wall, even this one is also highlighted. What am I going to do? Just hold your control key and you cut this off. Highlight this wall, and intersect them. So add that. Do you understand what I just did now?
Anna is not with us again.
Oh man.
Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa.
Yeah, no, this side back. Yeah,
Three euros today. And we say, kids, you're welcome, everyone. Mona Lisa, how are you doing over there? David, how are you doing? Kid, how are you doing? We have Max Paul and Rex, how are you doing?
So,
Welcome everyone.
okay, now we have our master bedroom, and I'll be giving this master bedroom a 4.5 by 5,000. Am I crazy? So let's go and get our line two. And we are going to do something very, very unique here.
The broken prepare.
How to highlight the weight of the line. I would like to understand what you mean by
Like, come again. Is it how to highlight
a line
a line?
or to highlight the weight of the line. If you're looking at my screen, that's what I'm doing for you now.
Are you seeing it? Kid, I hope you are seeing what we are doing.
Solid. But if you want to create your own line or a bit selected line, you can just click this and tell you what you want to do.
Which software is Archicad 25? Archicad 25. So are you using Archicad Kid? Because that's what we are using now, Archicad 25. Welcome everybody that is joining us. We love you so much. And don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to share our live. Don't forget to tap on the stage. AutoCAD. Okay, you are using AutoCAD. Okay, this one that we are using now is ArchiCAD 25. Do you understand? They are using ArchiCAD 25. And if you want to render, we use Lumion 12 to render. For now, we are making use of ArchiCAD. That's what we are doing today. Maybe tomorrow we'll render.
So let's continue.
So we continue with what we are doing.
So from the dimensions which I also checked out, from year to year is 4,700. Pulling out is more than 5,000.